Another CP train coming in. An intermodal train. Well, maybe mixed freight as well. Another eastbound. Just a little bit past 3 o'clock at the Dorval ramps. I like those AGP cars too. They're nice and bright. And this is on the CP side. CP, not an intermodal, but rather maybe a general manifest. Going right through the ramps. But the sun is out now, so it's very, very good. It's a winter's day, but mild. So very enjoyable to be out here in the sun. This is the second CP train I've seen in probably less than 15 minutes. So he's going slow. First one was an oil train, and this one seems to be a general manifest with a big block of oil cars probably. Hopefully he won't stop. Hopefully he'll roll through slowly, keep everything going. I like to have the momentum of the train keep a flow, keep a dynamic flow in the video. Auto racks. Good BNSF. Oh. Some colorful graffiti on these cars. I don't really mind too much. They're not really relics of the past. I do wish graffiti artists would not draw on the really colorful cars though. And especially the older rolling stock with the historic railroads. But what are you gonna do? Well, this looks like it's gonna be a really long one, man. But these orange and green colorful stacked trains, they look really great in the sun. People who don't like stack trains, they're at least better than those solid black, what do you call it, coal trains, unit coal train. They used to be all black cars, black coal, black everything. Not much fun seeing those. Okay, they were fun when they were powered by steam engines, I suppose. And it is really interesting to see like multi-lash up of locomotives hauling a long black coal train, you know, in the Appalachians. But you're not going to get that here. And really, these are what those coal trains were to the railroads many years ago. These are the bread and butter. Stack trains make the money. find it odd that many regional railroads don't have container services. You never see, say, Pan Am Railways containers. You never see, say, I don't know, CMQ or anything like that. It's all only really large shipping companies that have them, and railroads. And you never really see Norfolk Southern containers either. You don't see Norfolk Southern. You see CSX containers. Only some of the big 7 railroads have container services. Maybe they have a pool service I'm not aware of. This is a really long one. It's gonna have a DPU in there somewhere. The longer I sit here watching this train, the odds are great that something else will come on CN and we'll end up with 2 trains. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled. Still a few cars left to come. And that looks like the end of the train. Bit anticlimactic to see an empty rail car at the end, but there you have it. And it's not dark enough to get the flashing red light either. Okay, and nothing else is coming, so I'll end the video here. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.